Hello and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. Here, of course, is a cow. And I don't remember exactly where this picture was taken. I think it might have been a ways up Woodbine Avenue, which is north of Toronto. And it was a cold, cold day, like maybe minus 30, minus 40. And not too far from the road, all these cows were hanging out. And if you look in the background, you can see there's other cows there. And was I crazy? Yes, perhaps, but I didn't stay out very long. But I did notice them there, and I thought, oh, this is kind of cool. They're not far, and I could get a good vantage point. And soon, of course, very quickly, I noticed every time they exhaled. Well, you can see the result. It was cold. I'm sure they were standing out there thinking the same thing, and probably were quite happy when, within probably a minute or two of me getting out of the car, I scampered back to the car and said, well, that's enough of that. But there is something about, I don't know, just being able to see the power. And actually, I think I named this picture something about they were just about to charge, and the smoke was coming out. Like, why are you here? Why are you looking at me? Leave my herd alone. Anyway, when really, it was just a cold, 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 nasty day. So, as always, keep looking, keep shooting, and always carry your phone, always carry a camera. Once again, doesn't matter well, but all the lenses and all the this and the latest that. It is your eye that trains, or needs to be trained, and it's your eye that sees these timeless moments that need to occasionally be captured for all time. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.